Hi, I'm Corey, coming to you from Burnyzz Speed Shop in beautiful Ocala, Florida. Not every job is a full build. Here at Burnyzz In and Out, we're here for your performance upgrades and routine maintenance without the wait. From oil changes and brake jobs to performance upgrades like EFI conversions, vintage air, suspension work, and more, Burnyzz will get it done right for you the first time. These aren't long-term projects. Whether you have a classic, modern muscle, performance import, or even an exotic, Burnyzz In and Out is here to take care of all of your vehicle's needs with speed and precision. Burnyzz In and Out. Stop by and check us out because your time deserves a little horsepower.